Okay, mamas, so let's get right into the look. So I did take it upon myself just to do half of my face, just so the video is not extremely long, because y'all know how get readies with me are. They already are pretty long. So I did do my brows and I did one eye, so you guys could kind of like visually see where we're going with the look. So the palette that I'm going to use is a Melt Impulsive palette. You already know how this palette is. I did a whole video on this. I will link it for anybody who just wants to see this palette mainly by itself. I will link the video so you guys can see, but I'm gonna go off with like pretty much a more neutral brown, and we're just gonna talk. I don't want this video to be so much of like a tutorial. I just want it to be like, you know, y'all just chilling with me and we getting ready. But I will say I'm doing like a more neutral brown. So are you guys excited for 2021? Like, I know I am. I'm not even gonna hold y'all. 2020 was such a trying year in my life. I went through a lot of traumatic things, I'll say. I went through quite a few traumatic things actually, and you know, I'm just happy that it's over. Not to mention the whole coronavirus thing and just our new normal, how life is. Like, I'm just honestly, I'm over it. I'm ready for change. I'm ready to just see what's in store. I'm going in with the deeper, like, orangey type of color. If I didn't mention that, I am going in with my second color. Is a deeper orange. And we're just going to pretty much warm all of this up, like so. I know the orange color I did, when I did the other eyes, I did use it a couple of times. But I like melt stuff. But yeah, I'm just ready for this year to end. I'm ending it with a bang. I would say one thing that 2020 did teach me was definitely to make smart decisions, to pay attention to signs, it just showed me like so many people who are gonna be there for me and just people who aren't gonna be there for me. Never let your guard down. And literally, and it's so crazy and it's sad to say, but not everyone will always have your best interest at mind. That's another thing it taught me. Like, your best interest at heart, not everybody will have it. And it's like, you'll be so freaking surprised, like the people that how people are. I can't even explain it, but you'll really be surprised like how people are, and it's just crazy to me. But I mean, it's a part of life. You go through things, you learn things, and you know, you move on from it. And that's that. I'm going in with like this plum color. I do want to show y'all, right? So I started off with this color right here. That was the first color I put down. Then I went in with this color right here, which is a more orangey color, and now I'm going in with this plum color to start to kind of like deepen it up some. But yeah, that was just one of the things I did learn. I'm definitely looking forward to just seeing how my life is in 2021. Just changes and everything like that. Hopefully I find love. I know it's so crazy to say, but hopefully I do find love. I just feel like right now in particular, I'm at a point where I want to settle down, and it's so crazy. Like, I definitely want to settle down, and I see myself settling down. So that's that. I'm gonna add a little bit of a black shade to the outer corner. For this one, I'm using this Urban Decay Naked Basic palette. I'm not even sure if they still make this, but if they do, I'll link it in the description box for you guys to like see it and stuff. But it's an Urban Decay, it's the Urban Decay Naked Basic palette. But yeah, I want to settle down. I definitely am ready for that. I think that's like my next step, settling down. You guys know I'm gonna move. I'm definitely moving. I just don't know where exactly I want to live. I'm like torn if I want to stay in New York or if I want to go to Jersey. Like, it's like a tug of war. But yeah, that is like one of the things I'm really torn about as well. So we'll see what's in store for me, you guys. I'm gonna go back into the Melt palette. I'm gonna use the shade Makeup Junkie, even though I said this wasn't a tutorial, but it seems like it is. It's a chatty little tutorial. This is Makeup Junkie right here, gonna take a flat brush and I'm gonna spray it with my setting spray like I always do. Y'all know the whole, y'all know the jam if y'all watch me. But yeah, but the reason why I'm like thinking about Jersey is I just feel like the space you get out there and the price for certain stuff is better than what you get in New York. Like New York is so expensive to live, and then you also get like freaking a box. You'll get like a little ass bit of space, and it's just, honestly, it's not worth it to me. And I have 2 kids, plus I do the makeup, so I kind of would love a beauty room. So I don't know. But then it's like, because I have 2 kids and I don't have anybody in Jersey, so not saying like you need somebody to make a move, but I'm the type of person, I like to think everything out and I want to make smart decisions. Like I definitely want to make a smart choice. So I don't know, I'm not sure yet, but I'm gonna take the artist Blitz. Oh my god, I don't know why I keep calling it Spotlight Blitz. It's called Spotlight Glitz. Spotlight Glitz is beautiful. All the artist couture toppers are amazing. If you haven't tried it, I would definitely recommend you guys get it. I'm gonna zoom in so you guys can really see what we got working with. But they are so gorgeous. Definitely I feel like a must-have. I'm gonna go in with the Spotlight Glitz. I like to spray it. People always ask me how do I use this when I wear it, but this is how I use it. Some people do glitter like glue. I never do it because it adheres pretty good for me, at least. And it's just like, oh, it's like a adult. I'm gonna go off camera and just do a straight line, and I'm going to put in my Lily Lashes Ibiza, and then I'll come right back so you guys can see what I have happening. So I'm zoomed all the way in so you guys can see. I do have the lashes on. These are my Lily Lashes in the style Ibiza, and I just went ahead and did a straight line. So now I want you guys to just see what I like to do to really just like smoke it out and make it super sexy. I'm gonna go in with the Charlotte Tilbury, I think it's called Rock and Coal. So it looks like this. This is a liner. It's basically the pencil liner, and the shade is called Bedroom Black. Y'all remember that song? I can make your bed right. I don't know why it made me think of that. But yeah, that's that. What do you guys think of what do y'all think of like long distance relationships? Oh, what, like, I have so many questions. Like, what is your breaking point in terms of like when you don't want to be long distance any longer? Me, I will always say I've always been a type, like, I feel like I need to see the person I'm with. Like, I've never been in a long distance relationship before, and I don't know, y'all. I may have a contender in my life that just doesn't appeal, but we'll see. We shall see where it goes. I pretty much try to be pretty private, like on my social medias and stuff, with like who I'm dating, my kids and all of that stuff. I mean, I'll show my kids. Let me not say my kids, because I do show them here and there, but who I'm dating, I'm usually private, just because motherfuckers is so crazy on the internet, and I would hate to have to get out of character because somebody tried to like disrespect me and start some shit. Like, I would hate to get out of character, so I try to keep it pretty private. There's the NARS Climax mascara. Y'all know this is like, oh my god, the Climax Extreme. Such a good mascara. If you watch my favorites, I did link it in my favorites. But I don't know, like, I feel like if you really do love somebody and really care, not even love, but if you really are feeling somebody and you see a lot of potential, I do feel like it could work, the long distance. Like, you'll be, I don't know, when you really want it, you'll be willing to put in the work and make it work. So that's how I feel on that. But let me get back to it. So guys, this is pretty much how the eyes came out looking. So right now we're just gonna add some highlight and stuff I'm gonna highlight, we're gonna add our lip on and see where the rest of this takes us. And then after that, let me stop playing. After that, we're gonna pick out our outfit, and I'm gonna show y'all basically what I would do when I step out for New Year's Eve. But this is like pretty much it. I like my eyes to be still stand outish, but not like too overwhelming, because I want y'all to focus on what I'm gonna wear versus like, I feel like you need a focus. Like, it's gonna either be, okay, are we focused on the eyes, are we focused on the lips, are we focused on the clothes? You don't want like too much happening all over the place, because then it's like, whoa, what are we focusing on? So I'm gonna get the lip, and we about to apply our lip. All right guys, so I did go ahead and go get my illuminator I use. Mine's just like beat the fuck up, but it's MAC Oh Darling. Like, do y'all remember when Oh Darling was a wave? Okay, if you've been like wearing makeup for a minute, you know MAC highlighters always were like the ish. I put some on my nose, but I feel like my nose looking a little greasy. I don't know how I feel about that, but it could work for now because I'm a little dry looking in real life. So yeah, so let's get ready to do our lip combo. So for lips, I'm gonna go in with the Charlotte Tilbury Lip Cheat and Pillow Talk 3, which is basically like a deep brown. It's more of an intense type of shade, and I love Charlotte Tilbury lips. Like, yo, her lips are so good. I'm just gonna overline my lips. Okay, I'm gonna line my lips because I feel like it takes me a minute to do it. So I'm gonna line my lips in. So yeah, y'all, it's picking up actually more red than what I thought. So I'm gonna go back in with the lip liner and kind of like ombre it. Not used to seeing myself with like red. Yeah. But I hope you guys are ready to go in with this new year with a bang. We are gonna accomplish so much stuff, achieve a lot of new goals. This is everybody's time, y'all. Let's not get discouraged from 2020. Like, 2021 is gonna be amazing. And if you haven't so already, get in your bag, get into your mother freaking Birkin bag at that. All right, y'all, so hold on. Before we even go into the clothes and fixing our hair real quick, I'm just gonna go in with the Charlotte the Pat McGrath under eye powder and just kind of place some right up in here. I couldn't find my brush I would use for it, so I had to use this, and I'm just gonna blot this out a little bit because she is kind of looking a little oily. I'm gonna go all around here. I'm gonna add a little bit more of the lipstick because what I'm gonna do is, I have this Fenty gloss that I'm gonna put on top of it. I bought that little Fenty mini like lipstick trio set, and I figured let's just add the gloss maybe in the center, because normally I would never like wear this color, but I'm like, let's see what it's looking like in the center. And the dress I'm gonna wear is red. Oh, she's cute. Like, she's cute, she's sexy. So now I'm gonna show y'all the dress and some of the accessories I'm gonna put on right now to complete the look. Okay, so just to kind of further complete the look, I'm gonna wear this ruche dress right here, this red ruche dress from Fashion Nova. I'm gonna go in with my hoop earrings, and then I'm gonna put on my clear heels from Steve Madden. So I'm gonna just fix up my hair real quick and get dressed, and I'm gonna show you guys what I have on, and we're gonna conclude the video. This is the finished look of the whole outfit. So basically, guys, this is how you would look. We're gonna put in a little Fashion Nova dress. We got our little cute heels. I added some hoop earrings just to kind of give it a nice little jazzy effect. The dress, you could definitely pull it down if you want. Keep it like so. But this is it. So I hope you guys enjoy. Everyone have a safe and a happy new year. And I'm gonna see you guys in 2021. With the next
high fashion, like Goya, G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you 'cause